Hello, I'm Doa Ross. I'm the Deputy General Manager for Engineering of the Las Vegas Valley Water District and the Southern Nevada Water Authority. And I'm standing here at the WaterWorks exhibit at the Springs Preserve. Southern Nevada is home to more than 2.3 million residents and over 40 million people that call Las Vegas their home for at least a weekend. That takes a lot of water to move throughout our system. Through the WaterWorks exhibit, you're going to be introduced to the way water moves from Lake Mead, our source of the Colorado River, all the way through to the tap of everybody's home or hotel room. You're going to see how we treat the water, how we test the water, and how we pump the water through the system. Now, unlike a lot of other cities throughout the country, you don't see a lot of water towers above ground. And that's really for the main purpose that we have really a bowl. And as we move up in elevation, we have gravity to help move that water at the appropriate pressures that we need to deliver when you need water on demand at a fire hydrant or a water tap or in your shower. This is a very complex system, all of which is very hard to actually see, most of it being underground and hidden away from sight. But here at the WaterWorks exhibit, you get an inside look at what we see every single day. The true heartbeat of this community is our water. So if you have an opportunity, whether it be with your family, by yourself, or even with a classroom from the local school district, I encourage you to come down to the Springs Preserve. Not only will you be able to have an opportunity to view this historic property within Southern Nevada, where water truly began within the wells of the Springs property, but also to see a true working water infrastructure project. And you can find out more information by checking our website, springspreserve.org.